how to stream on Twitch on a MacBook. So to do this, it's pretty simple. What we need to do is first download OBS. I've made a video on how to download it. You can click the card in the top right corner now. The next thing you need to do is create a Twitch account. Once you've made that, you need to go into settings, stream, and then you need to copy your stream key. So once you've copied that, you can go back to OBS and press settings. Now go to stream, service, and you need to select Twitch. Now you can connect to account or you can use the stream key. So now you need to paste in your key and press apply and then press OK. So now if I press start streaming, it will connect and it'll say I'm streaming. So now you want to go back to Twitch, and as you can see at the top it says I'm live. Press here, stream manager. You can see it says I am live. So if it's not allowing you to stream, what you need to do is go to settings, output, and then go to video encoder. And under here you want to just swap them over. So if you're on hardware, move over to software and vice versa. So the next thing you can try is going into system settings and then going down to privacy and security. And now scroll down to screen and system audio recording, and you want to make sure OBS is enabled both here and here. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below how you got on.